found an amazing recipe and I want to share it with you. You can use any fruit for this pie, any fruit absolutely, or berries. I used, right now peaches are in season, so I used peaches, but like I said, you could use apricots, any berries, frozen berries, fresh berries, apples, pears, anything you like, anything you have in your fridge or in your kitchen. So I had my peaches, I washed them, I cut them in half, I took off the stone, and that's about it. Peaches are ready. Now we need to start working on our dough. First, I cut my butter to small pieces and I kept it in the fridge because we need cold butter. By the way, you don't need mixer for this recipe. You can use your hands or your hand mixer or just a spatula, whatever you like to use. So first, I mix all my dry ingredients and all the aromatic spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and I also use dried ginger. If you have fresh ginger, it's even better. You can use shredded fresh ginger. So mix it all together with dry ingredients. So you mix all your dry ingredients, then you add your cold butter, and like I said, you can do it with your fingers. You can mix, and you mix it really well so your butter and flour mixture resembles kind of like sandy texture. Then you add your wet ingredients, milk and egg, and mix again until you have your dough. And then you transfer your dough to your form. I used a glass pie form. I didn't butter it. I didn't put any oil or butter on it, but you should if you're planning to take your pie off your form at the end. I didn't. My pie stayed in the form. Also, if you're gonna use like metal spring form, you have to put some oil on it and wax paper or baking paper. That will help your pie not to burn, not to stick, and also it will be easier for you to take your pie out. So spread your dough on your form. I put my halves of my peaches on top of it and I baked it for about 30 minutes in preheated oven. Meanwhile, I made a filling. Very easy. Milk, sugar and egg. Mix it together very well. And there you go, it's ready. After your pie baked for about 15-20 minutes, take it out of the oven, pour on top your milk mixture and put your pie back in the oven and bake it for another 30 minutes. And there you go, your amazing fruit pie is ready. It's so delicate, it's so aromatic, you just have to make it. I can't really describe, you have to try it. And it's not too sweet at all. It's really balanced and nice recipe, and as you can see, it's so easy to make. You can make it with your child can make it easy. So try it and let me know if you tried it. Also, I have to take an opportunity and ask you, please subscribe to my channel. I'm back to my channel. I want my channel to be alive. I want people to watch it. You will help me immensely if you subscribe and if you like, so that will tell to YouTube that people are watching my channel and people are interested in my recipes. So please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.